Hi there, boys and girls. It's another taste test time. Today, we're going with Keystone canned ground beef. I don't recollect if I've ever had canned ground beef before, but we're going to give it a try. There's only two ingredients, beef and sea salt. Ooh. Says it's fully cooked, just heat and serve and refrigerate after opening. And we'll see if my meal looks like anything in the picture. Before I cook it, let's take a look, shall we? I'm opening the can, and that's happening behind you. Excuse me while I... Okay, it kind of looks like canned ground beef. I'm sure that's just the fat that's congealed in there. Ooh, yummy. It's only 120 milligrams of sodium, so it smells saltier than it is, I guess. Fingers crossed. Since it's just me today, we're going to use this handy, these are great little al dente pasta things. Microwave for 60 seconds. You can take them camping with you and throw them in a pot, and they cook up like in a minute. Could probably even boil the bag if you needed to, but I don't think you need to. They're not just microwavable, they're pre-cooked, or I can't remember the word, it's mostly cooked. Like I said, when you're camping, backpacking, whatever, nice lightweight, you just take it, dump it in the pan, and or get you some generic store brand garden, okay, it's Walmart's pasta sauce. Throw this in the pan with some of this, and you're good to go. Okay, that's enough trying to sell the pre-packaged pasta. Let me heat this stuff up and see what happens. Okay, you can tell this is not extra lean ground beef. And I'm using my spurtle or yurtle or myrtle, whatever they're called. They're handy if you haven't used a yurtle, myrtle, spurtle. Yeah, this definitely needs drained. I gave it a little taste, and it tastes like canned ground beef. So, I'm heating up a little bit of the sauce. I'll dump in my heated pasta, and I'll throw that in and see how it does in the recipe. Okay, kids, wish me luck. It actually looks pretty good, huh? Lulu approves. That is, let's see if I can get Lulu. She's camera shy. Lulu, do you like the hamburger? Is good? Hamburger! Oh, Okay, that's Lulu. I've inherited her from my mom. The pug passed away last week, and we're still dealing with the. Anyway, let's not dwell on that. So when you mix it in, it looks okay. I added some Parmesan cheese. There's a little more beefy. Okay, with enough other ingredients to deal with the canned flavor, it does perfectly fine. In a rate, I wouldn't make a ground beef sandwich out of it. I don't know if Sloppy Joe would be enough to cover the flavor. Maybe. Possibly. Throw in some chopped onion, maybe. Anyway, it's. I think I paid $3 for that giant can, so you can't beat the price. I'll try to figure out something else to mix it in with. Maybe I'll make some tacos. Taco. But it's in a recipe. I'm surprised. Just plain out of the can while it was heating, it tasted about what you'd expect. So that's it for today's show, boys and girls. Thanks for watching, following, liking, subscribing, sharing, helpful comments, and most of all, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!